Contouring shouldn't be a struggle, but one wrong shade and you're left looking muddy or orange. If you've been avoiding bronzer because it looks cakey or just won't blend, I have the solution. I've rounded up the 15 best Amazon sculpting tools that practically blend themselves, from waterproof powders that survive your busiest days to cream sticks that act like a literal facelift. I've linked every single one in the description below so you can shop while you watch. Let's fix that flat face look and get you glowing. Let's dive in. First up is the legend itself, the SHEGLAM Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour. If you've been on TikTok, you've seen this. This isn't just makeup, it's a shadow in a bottle. The soft tan shade is the perfect cool tone to mimic real shadows. No orange, no muddiness. The sponge tip applicator makes it foolproof. It's a cream gel formula that's vegan, cruelty-free, and stays put on oily or dry skin. It's high-end quality for a fraction of the price. Cool tones or warm tones? What's your contour vibe? Comment below. For my luxury lovers and clean beauty fans, meet the Ogee Crystal Collection Trio. This is certified organic artistry. You get a bronzer, blush, and highlighter infused with green coffee oil to stimulate collagen and sal tree resin to blur your pores. It's skincare disguised as makeup. It gives that "I just got a facial" glow that's buildable and breathable. Made in the USA and completely free of synthetics, this is how you sculpt with a conscience. Would you go organic with your makeup? Drop a leave if you're a clean beauty fan. e.l.f. does it again. The Camo liquid bronzer in Fair/Light is a powerhouse. Infused with sodium hyaluronate and rose water, it hydrates while it sculpts. The grooved applicator is a genius design. It picks up the perfect amount of pigment so you don't overdo it. It blends seamlessly into the skin for a long-lasting, sun-kissed glow. If you want that expensive look on an e.l.f. budget, this is your holy grail. What's your favorite e.l.f. product of all time? Let's settle the GOAT debate in the comments. If you want precision, you need Tarte Sculpt Tape. This is engineered for the perfect dot and blend technique. It features a cushion tip with a twist lock, no messy leaks in your bag. But the real magic is the ingredients: shea butter for moisture and diamond powder for a soft focus, blurred finish. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and gives you that red carpet definition without the heaviness. Travel-friendly or vanity size? Which do you prefer for your gear? Let me know. Efficiency is king, and the Julep Skip the Brush Stick is the king of multitaskers. This goes from a creamy glide to a velvety powder finish in seconds. The cool taupe is a dream for fair to light skin. No brushes required, just a blend with your fingers, and you're done. It works on your cheeks, your eyes, and even your lips. Perfect for the girl on the go who refuses to look tired. Fingers or brushes? How do you blend your contour? Tell me your secrets. NYX just changed the powder game with the matte Buttermelt bronzer. It's infused with mango, shea, and almond butters, so it literally melts into your skin like a cream but has the 12-hour staying power of a powder. The shade Deserve Butter is a light medium cool tone that smells like hot cocoa. It's silky, never patchy, and rivals high-end brands that cost triple the price. Smash that like if you can almost smell the cocoa through the screen. Chocolate bar. The award-winning e.l.f. Halo Glow Wand is essentially a luxury filter in a tube. With 2% squalane, it keeps your skin glowing while providing a naturally sculpted look. The cushion tip allows you to map out your face like a pro. It's lightweight, buildable, and never gets cakey. There's a reason this is constantly sold out. It's the ultimate no-makeup makeup tool. Is this the best dupe ever made? Yes or no? Comment below. A cult classic for a reason, the Physicians Formula Murumuru Butter Bronzer. This is packed with Amazonian Murumuru, Kupwaku, and Tukima butters. It's incredibly moisturizing and gives a soft focus glow that brightens your complexion. If you have sensitive skin, this is dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic. Plus, that iconic tropical scent will make you feel like you're on vacation every single morning. Who's been using butter bronzer since day one? Drop a comment to show your loyalty. If you need your makeup to survive a hurricane, the L'Oreal Infallible 24H Fresh Wear is your answer. This is waterproof, heatproof, and transfer-proof. It's a soft matte finish that adds dimension without the oiliness. TikTok went wild for this because it performs exactly like luxury brands. 24 hours of wear means your contour looks as good at midnight as it did at 8 AM. Longest you've ever worn a full face of makeup? Share your record below. This is the ultimate starter kit for anyone who wants a professional result without the professional price tag. You get a highlighter, bronzer, and blush. The formula is silky, non-greasy, and waterproof. It's the perfect all-in-one system for travel. If you want a full face transformation in under 5 minutes, this kit is your new best friend. Highlighter, blush, or bronzer. If you could only pick one for the rest of your life, which is it? Choose wisely. If you're looking for a classic that never fails, you need the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. This is a staple in the kits of pro makeup artists for one reason: it's virtually waterproof. In shade Sun Bronze, you get up to 10 hours of velvet matte wear that resists smudging, fading, and even sweat. It's light, it's buildable, and it's the perfect no-orange formula for fair to medium skin. For less than the price of a latte, you get a giant 0.49-ounce pan that will last you an eternity. It's the ultimate budget-friendly workhorse for your daily routine. Have you ever had your bronzer melt off in the rain or heat? Comment, melt, or stay below. Next is the NYX Wonder Stick, and the name is no exaggeration, it's a wonder for beginners. This is a dual-ended weapon with a highlight on one side and a contour on the other. The texture is incredibly rich and buttery, it glides on without tugging your skin. Because it's a coordinated pair, you never have to worry if your shades match. It's specifically loved by my cool-toned and fair-skinned followers who struggle to find a contour that doesn't look like an orange stripe. This is professional-grade sculpting made portable. Would you prefer a dual-ended stick or 2 separate products? Let's see the votes in the comments. For my clean beauty girlies on a budget, Essence Baby Got Bronze in Cinnamon Spice is a must-have. This stick is a powerhouse of nutrition, infused with coconut and castor seed oil. It gives you a demi-matte finish that looks like you just spent a week in the Maldives. It's a slightly firmer formula, which is actually great because it gives you total control. It won't slip and slide everywhere. It's vegan, gluten-free, and free from microplastics. If you want high-impact pigment for the price of a snack, this is your winner. Smash that like if you love finding high-quality, clean beauty at the drugstore. If you have dry or mature skin, listen up. The Physicians Formula Butter Glow and Go is your new secret weapon. This is a dual-ended dream. One side is a sun-kissed bronzer, the other is a gorgeous, sun-kissed rose blush. It's packed with that iconic Murumuru, Kupwaku, and Tukima butter blend that Physicians Formula is famous for. It's so creamy it practically melts into your skin, making it perfect for the cheeks, eyes, and even lips. It's that lit from within, radiant finish that luxury brands charge $50 for. but you can get it on Amazon for a steal. Blush or bronzer, which do you think makes a bigger difference in your look? Tell me below. Last but certainly not least, we have the SHEGLAM Snatch and Define in Golden Sunday. This is for the person who wants that sharp, high-fashion, snatched look. It is highly pigmented and completely sweat-proof. The formula is talc-free and alcohol-free, providing a smooth, matte finish that doesn't budge. The Golden Sun shade is specifically engineered with cool undertones to give you that realistic shadow effect on the jawline. It's a premium, long-lasting formula that rivals the most expensive sticks in the world. If you want to define your features like a pro, this is the stick that does the heavy lifting. We made it to number 15. Which of these 15 products are you clicking on first? Drop the name in the comments. You don't need a pro makeup artist to have professional looking skin, you just need the right tools. I've done the homework for you, so check the links below to upgrade your beauty bag instantly. If this made contouring feel a little less scary, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. It helps me keep bringing you these deep dive reviews.